Welcome to Home of Math. It's the second part of Simplify Exponent. Today we also solve 4 math about exponents. Let's start. First one. Here is 5 to the power 2y minus 3, 2 to the power 4y plus 4, divide 10 to the power minus 5y plus 5. So first one, look, here is 5, here is 2, but in denominator here is 10. So we can write like this: 5 to the power 2y minus 3, and here is 2 to the power 4y plus 4. This 10 we can write 2 times 5, right? And here power minus 5y plus 5. Then we can write like this: 2 to the power minus 5y plus 5, again 5 to the power minus 5y plus 5. Numerator here is 5 to the power 5 to the power minus 5 to the power 2y minus 3 and 2 to the power 4y plus 4. Okay. Now look, here base is 5, also here 5, here base is 2 and here 2. We know once base are same, like a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n. Why? Because we know from law of exponent, once base are same, that time if base are same, for division power will be subtract. So we can write like this: here is 5, we can write 2y minus 3 and minus, here is minus 5y plus 5. Similar, here is 2 4y plus 4 minus and minus 5y plus 5, right? Then look, 5 2y minus 3, here minus and minus plus 5y plus minus minus 5. Similar, here 4y plus 4 minus minus plus 5y minus 5. Now look, here 5 2y plus 5y, it means 7y, minus 3 minus 5, it means minus 8, right? Then 2, here 4y plus 5y, it means 9y, plus 4 minus 5, it means minus 1. This is our answer. It's not hard math, but very important and interesting math. We have to keep concentrated about these kinds of math, and we should memorize this law. Okay, so number first one, and this is a number 5, because first part we already finished 1 to 4. Okay, this is a second part. Now we will start number 6. Next one, here is 6 to the power 4 times 12 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 4, divide 30 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6. Lots of things in here. So everything we will be convert prime factor. Like look, here is 6, we can write 2 times 3 and to the power 4, right? Then look, 12, what can we do? 12 to divide 12 divide 2, it means 6, then divide 2, it will become 3. So this one we can write, this one we can write like this: here is 12, so here 2 and 2, it will be 2 square, right? Then times 3. Look, 2 times 2 means 4, 4 times 3 means 12. So this is a 12. Then power is a 3, right? Times 4. We can write 2 square power 5, right? 30. 30 we can convert like 2, so it will become 15, 3, it will become 5. Okay, so 2 times 3 times 5, it will become 30, then power 3, right? Times 3 to the power 6. Then we can write here 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4 times here 2 to the power 2. It means 2 square. Again cube comes, so we know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m times n. So these 2 and 3 will become multiply, so 2 to the power 6, then times 3 cube times this one 2 square, so it will become 2 to the power 2 times 5 means 10. Okay, so here 2 cube times 3 cube times 5 cube times here 3 to the power 6, right? Now look, now we can easily simplify. This one is 2, 2, 2, base is a 2, so here is 4 plus 6 plus 10. We can write 4 plus 6 plus 10, right? Then times 3, here is a 4 and here is a 3, so we can write 4 plus 3, because once base are same, if we want to product, that time power will be add. Denominator also same, here is 2 to the power 3, here is 3 and here is 3, so we can write 3 to the power 3 plus 6 and times 5 to the power 3. Okay, till we have no problem. Now look, 4 plus 6 means 10, 10 plus 10 it will be 2 to the power 20, right? Now times 3 to the power 7. Why 7? Because 4 plus 3 is a 7. Here is 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 9. Why 9? Because 3 plus 6 is a 9. 5 to the power 3. Okay, now we will go another exponential law, which is a to the power m divide a to the power n. We can write a to the power m minus n. So look, here is 20, here is 3, we can write 20 minus 3, right? Then which one is big, 7 or 9? 7 is less than 9, so we can write like this, 3 to the power 9 minus 7 times 5 to the power 3. So our answer is 2 to the power 17, and here is 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 3. Okay, very short math, but it's looking big. No problem, you will solve the problem step by step, no need any hurry. So our number 6, and for this video number 2 done. Okay, let's start next one. Number 7. Here is 9 to the power 3 times 20 to the power 2 divide 4 times 5 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 5. Look, this 9 we can write 3 square to the power 3, right? Times this 20 we can write, here is 20 divide 2, so 10 divide 2, 5. So we can write 2 square times 5 to the power 2. 2 times 2 means 4, 4 times 5 means 20, and to the power 2. These 4 we can write 2 square, here is 5 square, then 3 to the power 5, right? Then 3 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 4 times 5 square. 2 square times 5 square times 3 to the power 5. Okay. Now look, here is this 5 square and this 5 square we can out, right? And look, here is 3 to the power 6 and here is 3 to the power 5. We can write 3 to the power 6 minus 5 times here is 2 to the power 4 and here is 2 to the power 2. So we can write 2 to the power 4 minus 2, right? And here 6 minus 5, it means 1. 3 to the power 1 means only 3 times here is 2 to the power 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. Look, 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 means 12. So our answer is 12. Okay. This is very easy math, but in examination it will very important, right? So our 5, 6, 7 done. Now we will start number 8. Number 8. Here is 7 to the power b plus 7 to the power b minus 2 divide 4 times 7 to the power b plus 3 times 7 to the power b. So this one 7 to the power b plus, here we can write 7 to the power b times 7 to the power minus 2, right? Why we are writing like this? Suppose a to the power m minus n, so we can write a to the power m times a to the power minus n. Look, here base are same. Once we multiply, that time power will be add. So that time a to the power m minus n will become. So similar, here 7 to the power b minus 2, we can write 7 to the power b times 7 to the power minus 2. In denominator, we can take common 7 to the power b. So here is 4 plus 3, right? In numerator, we also take common 7 to the power b. So here is 1 plus 7 to the power minus 2. And here 7 to the power b, 7 plus 3, it means 7. Now look, this 7 to the power b, this 7 to the power b we can out. Now look, here is 1 plus 1 by 7 square. It's called negative exponent. It means a to the power minus n, we can write a to 1 by a to the power n, and here is 7. Now look, 7 square means 49. So here is 49 plus 1 divide 7. So 49 plus 1, it means 50 divide 49 times this one become 1 by 7. So here is 50, here is 49, it means 7 square, and here is 7. So we can write 7 cube. And this 50, if we want, we can write 2 divide, here is 25, 5, 5. So here is 2 times 5 square divide 3 to the power 7 to the power 3. This is one thing. Or we can write, here is 50 and 7 cube, it means 343 is a similar thing. We can complete in here or here. Okay, so no more today. Today we also try to complete 8 math based on simplify exponent. So next few days we also try to solve at least 20 exponent type math, which is very important for mathematics, especially international student, and lots of important exam like GCSE, grade 10 or set. Thank you very much being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel.